This farm has been in our family for better than 60 years now, and was originally a dairy farm and vegetable farm. And probably about 20 years ago, we sold the dairy farm and started in with some sheep. And we were primarily a sheep farm selling lamb and for meat. And my wife became quite interested in the yarn end and started up her own yarn business. In past years, we have had open houses during shearing time, so that people can come in, kids, older folks, anyone who wants can come and learn about the shearing, and also learn what happens with the wool after that.
I met my husband, I came here to work as an employee, and I stayed. The yarn behind me is from our sheep. It was grown here and spun at the fiber mill in Greenwich and then brought back here, and I dyed it. On Wednesdays and Thursday nights, we have groups of people that come and knit at the yarn shop. And then every second Saturday, we have a spinning group that comes, and they just sit around and spin, and we kind of learn from each other.
We try to have sort of an open policy here, letting people come in to see the lambs during lambing season, just to learn about the animals themselves. All summer long, when they're out on pasture, people stop and they like to just sit in their car and watch the sheep, and that's fine with us.